little propaganda for your day. When the New York Times discusses abortions, they refer to a baby as a fetus, but when they talk about illegal immigration, they refer to the baby as an unborn child.
Sorry, small correction here. It's not an issue of propaganda versus reality. It's an issue of legal standards. Courts in the United States at all levels have been using both the word unborn child and fetus to stress different contexts and legal framings. Now, for sure, the two terms are also used by lawyers in court to stress two different legal philosophical positions. But generally, courts normally use the term fetus as an objective term, where they're discussing reproductive rights or the personhood of a fetus, or where the issue at stake is the autonomy of the mother. On the other hand, the term unborn child is often used in criminal law, but also in civil law to discuss damages, but in instances where the intent of the mother to carry through the pregnancy is not in question. In essence, this is not propaganda. It's the use of different terms to define competing interests in law. For example, in this case, the West Virginia Supreme Court uses the term unborn child to refer to a child that could not be born because of the negligent behavior of a truck driver. In this case, clearly the autonomy of the mother and her intent to complete the pregnancy are not in question. But in this case, the Ohio Courts of Appeal uses the term fetus when discussing the rights of a mother. This is a case where reproductive rights and the autonomy that focuses on the mother and her choices are at stake. So no, the two terms are not propaganda. They are the application of the English language in different contexts. The intent of the mother plays a vital role on whether to apply the word fetus or unborn child. While this article specifically discusses personhood of a fetus and therefore the term fetus is used, this article clearly assumes that the intent of the mother to carry through the pregnancy is there. These are not instances of propaganda in media. They're simply the correct application of technical terms in journalistic context. I hope it helps.